Hey, girl. Can you sit? Please? Delilah. Oh my gosh. I'm making a egg McMuffin. So I'm going to show you how I do that. This is a block of tofu that I pressed. I'm going to cut it in half, make it into an egg shape, I don't know, like a circle, and then put some seasonings and fry it on a pan. I have some vegan sausage going in the pan. I'm going to have another vegan croissant and then some vegan cream cheese. It's really delicious, hits the spot. Again, not the best healthy vegan stuff, but I am really craving something like this today, so I'm going to go for it. Okay, so in here we're doing a little bit of olive oil, and then you could use a seasoning called kala namak, which is like an egg-like seasoning from India. We have some salt there. We're gonna do onion powder. We're gonna do garlic pepper. And then if you want that classic yellow color, you could use turmeric, but I don't have any on hand. I do have curry powder, but I don't really feel like doing that. I'm just gonna mix this together and then kind of put it onto the egg, and I'm gonna put it on the pan that the sausage is cooking on in the oven.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child.
So the kids are having some eggs, sourdough toast, and some cheese. And then I am going to have a little bit of the Kite Hill on the bottom here. Again, the ingredients on Kite Hill are pretty awesome to me. But you really gotta check your vegan substitutes because sometimes they get weird and it's just better to grab a plant-based alternative. Okay, so cream cheese on there and then egg and sausage, and I'm gonna do a little ketchup because I like it. Okay, so I just cut the egg in half. Sorry, the tofu in half. I cut it in half. And then we are using the Jack and Annie's plant-based sausage. It's made from jackfruit and it has some spices. In my opinion, this is probably the best alternative out there, just because it doesn't have any weird ingredients. So ketchup on this side and then we're good to go.
The stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, and in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
easy lunch. We're doing the Whole Foods mac and cheese and some stir-fry vegetables, some hummus and crackers, and an apple. Super easy. I encourage you to try the Whole Foods mac and cheese. It's really, really tasty.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance?
All right, so I'm making some chickpea salad now. We have chickpeas. I'm gonna smash them with the back of a fork. I have cranberries, celery, onions, and then we have aquafaba mayo, which is the juice from the chickpeas, about a 1/4 cup, 3/4 cup neutral oil, but I only had olive oil, mustard, pinch of salt, pinch of sugar, pinch of pepper, and then some apple cider vinegar. We're gonna mix everything together with some hemp seeds, salt, and pepper, and call it good. Little meal prep for the week. A lot happening right now, so I might as well just do voiceovers this week, I swear.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I
All right, we're doing an easy dinner here. We have some rice with green onions. We have some vegetables. We have liquid aminos. And then we are trying the Impossible Nuggets for the first time. I don't know what they're supposed to mimic. Maybe McDonald's chicken nuggets. I don't think I've ever had a McDonald's chicken nugget, but we'll see what they taste like and let you in on what they taste like. So, really easy dinner tonight. What are you eating?
Ice and broccoli.
Oh.
And this and that.
For those that are skeptical, I don't push veggies. He's choosing them, aren't you? What's this guy?
Macaroni.
What? No. What's this?
Fish macaroni.
No, it's not. Is it asparagus?
Yeah.
Asparagus. You want
No.
rice? Okay.
When the stars glow bright, the summer's old. In the misty bright
Here is the finished product. I think they came out really beautifully. I'm not a glitter person, but for the season, I suppose I will allow it. I got a question about my ring. So yes, this is my wedding ring in the middle there. It's rose gold. There's 13 inverted diamonds. 13 is my lucky number. And then the silver is meteorite shavings. I don't know if you can see this that well. Maybe there we go. The silver is some meteorite shavings, and I believe the ring designer is Todd Reed. It's one of a kind. Yeah, he did really good, but that's like the details of it. I don't really know much more about it. I really love it, and I switch my bands around depending on, I don't know, what I like to wear. So right now I have that on there, but I think it goes well with the nails. My hands look incredibly wide right now. But yeah, I think I like the cut of it too. I was worried that I wouldn't like them because I normally like the, I think it's called swovel, which is like square and oval together, but super cute. They're called Impress Nails, and I will link them down below.